of how to make a very slow rising squishy, so make sure you get into the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just take one tissue or two if you want to make it bigger and lay them out and get some cotton and just put in the center. Take as much as you want and then just wrap it up and tape it. There we go. And just cut the tape and tape it on the part and color your capybara. Ooh, let's pick this. It doesn't work really good. Ooh, this. Now this is what I'm talking about. You're basically just gonna color your capybara. Nothing else doesn't have to be preserved. If there's any holes, then that's fine because you can just tape them, the holes, so they don't break out or something. Okay, and I think that should be good. Now I'm just gonna tape some of the holes that came, so yeah. Okay, and don't worry if it gives like a really weird wide with the tape, because you're just about to put in some plastic wrap. Now I'm making the eyes. Let's take some silver for the eyes because the black does not work good. It doesn't really show that much of a capybara, but it's okay, I guess. Now I'm just going to wrap in some plastic wrap. And now our slow rising squishy is ready. Hope you enjoyed.